Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to introduce you to this tennis with paper game. This game is inspired by Fun with Paper 2. So let's see how to play this game. So first, here's how the game looks like, and now we're going to open it up. So here is the first prompt we have. This prompt asks you to choose a racket. There is two colors, pink and green. After you have chosen your racket, you're going to read the instructions. The instructions is players start with 50 points each. Both players write down how many of their points to spend on the next move. The player who wrote the highest point/number moves the ball forwards or towards to the other player. Both players then subtract their number from their remaining points. That's how to play paper tennis, and if you have not understood that, then I'll show you physically. So here's player 1 and this is player 2. This is just saying ready, set, go as a fun little motivation to win here. And here is the table for the tennis or the floor or whatever you want to say. And inside here, inside the game, there's a pocket, and you got these two scoreboards and a ball. So let's see how the ball looks like. And here is the ball. Looks like regular tennis ball. So now we're gonna take this ball and put it on our court. Anyway, so here is the scoreboard. This is one is for player 1 and the other is for player 2. So this is player 1 having this board, player 2 has this board. So for this game, you'll also need a pencil. It's best to use a pencil so you can play with this game again and use the scoreboards again. So let us begin. So it's best not to show the player your board. When you start the game, write a number you would like to spend this 50. Don't do a very huge number. You want to make sure that you have lots of numbers. Just choose a perfect number, not bigger than 50. You only have 50 points for this game to use. So player 2 is choosing the number, let's say 17. And player 1, let's say, chooses 5. So the ball is over here. So player 2 chose 17, player 1 chose 5. So player 2 obviously has the biggest number. So since player 2 has a bigger number than player 1, so player 2 gets to get the ball and put it in the first strip they have in front of themselves that's going towards their opponent. Okay, so we're done with that. Now, player 1 is choosing a number that is, let's say, 18. Oh, wait, don't forget. So whatever number you put here, you're going to take 50 minus this number. So 50 minus 17. 50 minus 5 is 45. So now the player chooses 18, and now player 2 chooses, let's say, 20. So now this is the player 2 scoreboard, and this is the player 1 scoreboard. So obviously player 2 has a bigger number than player 1. So player 2 moves the ball towards the opponent, going to the left. Just like this, not backwards, front. Now we gotta do 50 minus, this is the points remaining. You cannot choose bigger than 45. This is the remaining points. So now 45 minus 18. So this is also a good math game. So 45 minus 18. You gotta find that out to see your points remaining. Here is the remaining points for player 1, and here's the remaining points for player 2. So now let's say that player 1 has choose the number, let's say 20. Remember, smaller than your remaining. And player 2 has chosen the number 5, let's say. So obviously player 1 has the bigger number, so player 1 will move the ball back like this one time. Whoever gets the ball to their opponent's side, away from them, not on them, on their opponent's side, will win. So to make this person win, he has to get the ball to this side. To make this person win, he has to get the ball to this side. So that's how you play paper tennis. I hope you enjoyed. When you're done, you can always put the stuff back. Always remember to erase your scores, so then you can play this game next time. Okay friends, so I hope you enjoyed this game. If you did, please give it a big like, and I'll see you next time.